Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Spyderco Smock here with me, and we're gonna try to see if we can improve a little bit the action of this little fella over there. Let's see, I think we're gonna be needing a T8, yes, for the pivot screw right over here. It doesn't spin, so it's good. Let's see what is going on in this. Look at this, already the scale is flapping a little bit, and then we're gonna need a T6 for the handle over here. All right, like here, 2 screws, T6, should be pretty straightforward. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let's open the blade. Detent ball just fell. Why this is not all right, so let's just take out also the presentation scale. Let's take it down properly. And this is a T8. Let's see. Because probably this is the spinning, the pivot, some sort of bushing going on. I don't know. Oh, because there's the lanyard hole going on over here. All right. So, and this guy is right over there. So let's see. It should be enough to wiggle its way out. You know what? Let's push the pivot outside. Very interesting. So this should pop open. Let's use this guy over here. Doesn't really, so, oh, like that. Very good. Okay, cool. Nice. So here you see the mechanism, you see the double detent going on. All right, it's an interesting construction. See, I don't know why this, okay. All right, so a nice standoff over here. You have the stop pin. Cool. Let's clean it up a little bit. Pretty big ball bearings going on over there. Okay, see the pin track, and you see the pockets of the bearings. Actually, these bearings are nicely done. They have a steel cage. Very, very interesting indeed. The pivot is keyed in. It's D-shaped. Very nice. Solidly built, guys. Not too shabby, not too shabby. The stop pin is keyed in as well. Pretty good. Look at this. There's another internal stop pin. Wow. Which goes here. Very, very nice. You've got your lanyard hole tube going on right over there. This liner actually is pretty thick, guys. There's no need to open this up. It's kept together by these 3 screws for the pocket clip. just clean this pivot area and pin area, and we're pretty much good to go. Very nice. All right, so we can start actually from this guy over here. All right, very good. It's actually lined pretty nicely. Then we're gonna need we can start I think to use these guys because they're not keyed in, just like one, and the other one it's just like two right over here. And then this guy it's keyed in, all right, only on one side I'm assuming, which is this one. Yeah, so this guy will have to go like actually only from this side, you see. Yeah, so this is going in right over here. Okay, and it's gonna be keyed in this facing down, so something like that. You see, it's gonna go like this. Very good. And these are in. You know what, we can, oh look at this, we can where is here, no, it's T8, let's do T6. Let's just add these two guys into, sorry, here, 1 and 2. Okay, and then you've got this stop pin going on over sorry guys, but these they go on the other way because they are keyed in. So, and they are keyed in on the inside, so something like this. Let's leave it a little bit loose, yeah, because something wasn't matching up. So just flip that around, make sure the keyed area it's on the like lower part, let's say, something like that. We're gonna unscrew them later. All right, so this is gonna be like this, that's like that, that's very good. Then we have this guy is gonna go here. The detent is gonna be over here. Okay, and this ball is gonna go right over there. Okay, like so. The stop pin, it's going to be right over here. Okay, but this is gonna, yeah, it's gonna stay very nice. And then let's see this guy, yeah, that's gonna fit pretty snugly right over there. And we just have the bearings to put back together. All right, so let's do something like this. So we have bearings here, we have nano oil here. So we're gonna just do just a little and a little bit on the pivot, like so. and blade is in. Okay, so here what we can do is like oil in the track, bearing in, and then sandwich. Okay, and if we are right, so this is gonna be something like that, and that is gonna be, we're gonna need to loosen this guy a little bit first, like that, so we can angle the standoff. All right, good. Let's see if we did everything right. So like so. No. Just lost. Yeah. No. Just lost the detent ball. So you know what, let's try the other way around then. So let's do pivot here, this is there. Let's do the opposite, like that. So the lanyard hole is gonna go here, right? And everything is aligned over here. So in this way, actually we can start from the lanyard hole and just do this. What do you think? No. Of course not. You can't. So, because this ball doesn't go there. How stupid are you? Ball does go here. So let's approach this differently. We are going to do this. So this is gonna go here, and this has to go like here. And then we can try, if we are lucky, to go actually this can stay there. To go like that. Let's see. This looks good. Here looks okay. That is alright. Yes, we just need to push this pivot in. Oh, very good. And let's change just the tip while keeping this pressed. And this guy, let's see. Because that is keyed in, so we should be able to feel here, right? Okay, let's see. Yeah, should be this way. Very interesting. Yeah, should go. Should go. Not really sure why it's not going, but should definitely go. There you go. And always keep it pinched. That's T8, yes. So yeah, it was a little bit longer than anticipated. It was my first time, so yeah, good that it worked, at least. Looks like, let's see. Let's see the action. Okay, blade centering, maybe let's try. Actually, looks pretty centered to me. Let's check for blade play. No blade play. Really, really good. Let's see if we can maybe you can something like that. Oh, nice. Guys, I think yeah, I think it's actually improved. It's clean. Very nice action. Look at this. Oh yeah, now we are in business, baby. There you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.